Have you seen people building AI chatbot without writing code? Have you heard about Microsoft Copilot Studio but don't know what it actually does? Don't worry. In this video, I am going to explain Microsoft Copilot Studio from absolute to scratch. If you are a student, fresher, or someone with no Power Platform experience, this video is made for you. By the end of this video, you will understand what is Copilot Studio, why companies are using it, and how you can start learning it today. When I first heard the name Copilot Studio, I thought it was only for AI expert or software developer. But after using it, I realized Microsoft has made it simple enough that even someone with no AI background can start building intelligent assistants. Before understanding the Copilot Studio, let's understand artificial intelligence. Every day we are using ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Copilot, Siri, Alexa. These are the tools understand our question and generate a response. But what if your own company wants its own AI assistant? That's where we can do using Microsoft Copilot Studio. So first let's understand what is Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is a Microsoft AI assistant. It helps user to write emails, summarize documents, analyze Excel file, create PowerPoint presentation, and answer the question. Then Microsoft Copilot Studio comes. It is help us to building our own AI assistant. Think of this way: GPT is an AI assistant. Copilot Studio is the platform where we can create our own chat GPT, means AI assistant. So let's see some real world scenario. Imagine a company has 5,000 employees. Every day people ask like, what is leave policy? How do I apply for a leave? Where can I find HR forms? Instead of HR answering this same question every day, the company creates an AI HR assistant. Employee asks the question, the AI answer instantly. Then another example, IT helpdesk, customer support, college assistant, hospital assistant, bank assistant, travel assistant. These are the things we can build using Microsoft Copilot Studio, their own assistant. Then the main question comes, why companies using AI assistant? So the AI assistant will save time. How it will save time? Think like a scenario. In a company, people are asking like, what is my leave balance? Where I can apply leave? So someone need to available to answer that question. But if you will create an AI agent, the agent will respond that question. That's why it is save times. Then 24/7 support. For example, if a people ask in the night, the HR may be apply in the morning. But if you will create an AI agent, the people who never ask the question, the AI agent will instantly answer the question. Then consistent answer. For example, if I will ask something, you will give an answer. But if I ask same question after 5 days, maybe you will give the different kind of answer. But the AI will give the always same answer, right? That is called constant answer. Then reduce repetitive work. For example, every day people will ask about leave balance, but that can be helped by this AI agent. Then improve employee experience. So whenever someone will ask, it will directly give the answer. That's why it will improve the employee experience. So now I will show you how to open the Copilot Studio and how to create an agent. So go to your browser and in the browser tab search copilotstudio.microsoft.com. If you log in this first time, it will ask you to sign in. So you need to sign in your work school account. So once you log in that one, you can see it is showing me to log in. I'll log in with my credential. Once you log in, it will open the studio, which is known as Copilot Studio. So this is the Copilot Studio. Here you can see it is written Copilot Studio, and here is the quick launch app. If you want to navigate other application, you can go. And in the top, you can see it is the environment. Which environment I want to create the agent. Then here you can see it is showing our name. Then this is the home page. You can see the new experience came. So if I'll copy this URL and put it in another tab, I will show you that new experience here. So first let me explain you the old experience, how it's look like. If you open the old experience, don't be confused. What would you like to build? And you can see the agent. If you want to describe what you actually need, the Copilot will create an agent for you. Then one other thing is workflow. If you want to create an Power Automate flow, so here you need to describe what actually you need to do. So this will create an workflow. Then you can see if you want to create the Copilot agent from the scratch, you will click on this agent. Then computer use agent. This is the new things came and the new agent flow. This is the new experience. And the left hand side menu, you can see it is the agent. If you click on this one, whatever the agent you created before, that thing you will display in this my agent section. And if you little bit scroll down, you can see some of the predefined agent is showing. You can use this predefined agent, and this is the manage agent. And if you want to create any template agent, you can see these are the template agent. You can click and use in your company. Then you can see another thing is showing the flows. If you I told you, right, if you want to create an workflow or Power Automate flow, you will select that one. It will navigate to the Power Automate flow. So I will go back. Then the fourth option is tools. So here in this section you can build your custom tool. If I click on new tool, you can see you can create your own prompt, own agent flow, own computer use flow, and MCP, custom connector, and REST API. You can build it your own tool, and later point of time you can use that tool in your agent. Then the last one is the three dot. If you click this one, you can navigate on other Power Platform things and solution. If you want to create from the solution, you can click on this one. You will navigate to the solution page. So now let me show you the new experience, how it is look like. You can see now I am in the new experience. You can see it is enable the new experience. In the new experience, it is showing the two options. First agent, then workflow. If you go to agent here, you can see whatever the agent you already created, that thing will display it here. Then the workflow. If you select this one, you can see here you can create your own workflow. Then in the down, you can see if you want to switch any other environment, you can click on this and navigate to other environment. Then in the down, it is showing your name and email ID. Then you can see in the down, it is showing more option. If you click this one, you will navigate to the solution, Power Platform Admin Center, and some resources. Then you can see you can change the dark mode color. You can change. Now we'll create a new agent from this new experience. So to create a new agent, click on this agent. You can see here we need to give our agent name. So here I will just give first agent. Once we click this one, then we need to provide the instruction. For time being, I will not provide the instruction till now. We'll give the later. Let me explain you what are the things. You can see it here. So here in the right hand side, you can see the model, which model we are using in this agent. So these are the different model presented here. You can see the GPT model and the entropy model. You can select the model based on your requirement. So in this example, I will select this default model. Next, it is showing the Microsoft IQ. So these are the things we'll learn later of time. Then you can see it is showing the skill. If you select this one, here we need to add our custom skill. Then the tools. Whatever the tools I told you in that one, whatever we create, we can add it here. Otherwise, you can see some of the tool is showing here. And if you want to add another any other tool, you can click on this add and you can do it here. Then the knowledge source. So what is knowledge source? For example, the agent doesn't know anything, right? So you need to give something. Then after that, if you ask the question, the agent will give the answer, right? That is the things. So for this example, we'll use this knowledge source to add the knowledge. So click on this plus icon, then you can see this type of scene. So to add this knowledge source, we want to add some document. If you want to upload the document, you can drag and drop it here or click with this one and select the document. Other thing is a public website. If you want to give any public website as a knowledge source, you will select this one and paste the public website link here. Then another thing is, if any file is present in SharePoint or OneDrive, you can select this one and give as a knowledge source. For this example, I created a sample Word document as a knowledge source. So here you can see these are the basic thing is presented here, means office hour, leave policy, work from home, HR contact. These are the things presented here. So I will give this as a knowledge source. Then we will ask some of the question. For example, we can ask what is the HR email address. It will give this one, and these are the things we can ask. So let me go to the agent, and here we will add that document. Click on this one, and this is the document. If I select and click on open, then you can see if you want to add any other document, you can drag and drop or browse and add it here. So in this example, I will not add any other document. So I will click on this add to the agent. So once you will click, you can see it's uploading file. So we need to wait some time. We no need to close this thing here. It is clearly mentioned, please do not close the browser window. So now you can see we are successfully added, and you can see it is showing under this knowledge source. Then another thing is, if you want to change the this agent logo, you can click on this edit the agent icon. Then here you can see lot of icon is presented here. You can select any of according to your requirement, or you can change the color also. And if you want to give any your own logo, you can go to this upload and you can upload that logo it here. So for this example, I will not change anything. Then the instruction is means, for example, you told someone to read this book, then you will give some instruction how they will read, right? This is the things where we are telling to agent how it will read and how it will give the answer. This is called the instruction. So now here I already generate this instruction. Just look at it. So here I am telling you are the AI agent which will help to employee to answer the question based on the employee handbook provided as your knowledge source. And your responsibility here are added the guidelines, some of the guidelines. So for example, if it does not present in this here, don't guess the information. You can see I clearly mention these things. So now what we need to do, we need to check our agent is giving the correct answer or not. So first we need to save this agent. Click on this save button. Now you can see it is saved. So now we can preview this one. So once we click on preview, you can see it is working on it. So, and you can see it here, we are giving the agent name is first agent. That's why it is came here. Hello, I am first agent. How can I help you today? So now I will ask the first question. What is the leave policy? Once I click on this one, it will go to the document and it will read the document and it will give the answer. Now you can see it is showing searching the knowledge. That means it is searching that document library. Now you can see the skill is analyzed. You can see it here. Now it is giving the answer, and these are the things present in that document whatever we give. So I'll open that document. You can see this annual leave is 18, sick leave is 10, public is 12. These are the things is presented here, right? So let me ask you another question. So this time I will ask, what are the office hours? So once we click on this one, you can see again it will read that one, give it the answer. Then if you observe that one, Last time it is like source the knowledge source, loadings the skills, lot of things is done. But this time, once we'll ask the question, suddenly it will give the answer. Because the first time it will read all the document, now it will need to only answer the question. This is the power of the AI agent. So this way you can create your own AI agent. Now, for example, you created your agent. So you need to publish that agent. So the end user will use that agent. They can use in your website. They can use in your Teams. They can use in your Microsoft 365 Copilot. Everywhere they can use that one. So in this video, I'll not tell you how to publish and how to deploy your agent in Microsoft Teams. I will tell you in another video. So this is the small example of HR assistant. You can also create an leave management agent, invoice agent, SharePoint agent, document source agent, and many agent you can build according to your requirement. Nowadays, you can know AI is become an important skill across many industries. If you are already learning Microsoft technology like SharePoint or Power Platform, understanding the Copilot Studio can help you to build more capable business solution and prepare for future projects. If this video helped to understand Microsoft Copilot Studio and you want to learn it step by step, we have created a complete Microsoft 365 learning platform at SPGuide.academy. Our goal is not just teach the theory. We are focusing on helping you to build real world solution. Inside the membership, you will find you will find structured course on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Pages, SharePoint Framework, also known as SPFX, and Microsoft Copilot Studio and Power Pages. So you will also get access to 25 plus product solution, source code and PDFs, community support, monthly live session, interview preparation and mentor guidance from Microsoft MVP Vijay Kumar. If you are serious about building a career in Microsoft 365 and the Power Platform, visit spguide.academy to explore the course. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and share with your friend who is trying to learn the AI and Microsoft Power Platform technologies. See you in the another video.